Scorpio Zanny, I'm super faded. I got women calling me on a daily damn basis. Kitchen smelling leafy, we brownies who fucking made it. She gave me free liquor, I told her appreciate it. I got drugs and I got liquor and codeine, my life X-rated. See that Henny, got him stripping naked, eat up, got him naked. You would think my life is crazy from seeing these things in places. Ain't no turning now, cause that turning down shit is damn